Hi everyone. In this video, I'll show you how to get a 7-day free trial for Max, so you can test the service before deciding whether to subscribe. First, go to the official Max website, max.com, or download the Max app on your device. Ensure you're on the legitimate platform to begin. On the homepage, look for and tap the prominent Start Your Free Trial or Try Max Free button. This action initiates your 7-day trial setup. Next, create your account by entering a new email address, setting a password, and providing basic profile information like your name and birth date. Then, select your preferred Max plan. The 7-day free trial applies to all available tiers, and you won't be charged until the trial period concludes. Finally, add your payment method. This is essential for activating the trial. But remember, you can cancel anytime before the 7 days are up to avoid charges. Once activated, you can immediately start streaming thousands of hours of premium content, including HBO originals, Warner Brothers movies, and DC series. For peace of mind, set a reminder to cancel on day 6 if you don't wish to continue your subscription after the trial ends. And that's it. Enjoy your 7-day free trial of Max and explore all the premium content. If this guide helped you, please like and subscribe for more quick tech tutorials.